Hello, guys. Hello. I have missed you guys. I have really, really missed you. I'm so sorry. I haven't posted any videos in months. I am so sorry. I've been very busy. In fact, there's a lot of gist. But before we start gisting, first off, for those of you who have seen my face for the first time, my name is Tamara Laifa. And in this channel, I teach you how to speak Pidgin language, like Pidgin English, the Nigerian version. But yeah, and if learning how to speak Pidgin is something you'd like to know, please keep watching. So, guys, why have I been posting? I went to fashion school. Yes, I am a fashion designer. I went to fashion school, and after fashion school, I went to do an IT, like an IT program. More or less, an IT program here. It's like apprenticeship as well. So I went to do an IT program for my fashion work, and it's been hectic. It's been really busy. I barely have time. I barely have any time, and I have been missing you guys so much. I know some of you are wondering, why haven't I heard from this girl? Why haven't I seen this girl all this while? I'm so sorry. How have you guys been? How have 2025 been? Was 2025 nice to you? Was 2025 horrible? However way, I am just happy that you are still alive. Yes, because we are coming towards the end of 2025, and I hope that you guys are having a good month or a good year, or you guys had a good year. Whatever the case may be, my own joy is that you're alive. Because the only people who have no hope are people who are dead. That's what I believe. If you're dead, there's no hope. There's no way you would be able to do your to-do list or whatever it is you have in mind. So, if you say your 2025 was not okay, I believe that 2026 will be better. I believe it to be better. And for those of you who had an awesome 2025, I also still believe 2026 will still be better as well. So, um, without wasting much time, you guys know I don't like to keep you guys so long. I want to make this video as short as possible so I don't waste you guys' time. And aside that, yes. New updates. I will try to make sure that I post videos every Monday. Yes. Every Mondays I'm posting videos, and I think I'll be changing the name of my channel. I'll be changing it to Hanging Out with Tamara Life because I'm not only going to be teaching how to speak Pidgin English here, but I'll also be doing other programs. So I would think about it, but for now, I'll be changing the name. So just in case you see the name that has changed, don't worry, it's still me, it's still me, it's still me, it's still me. So now I'm going to be making sentences today. I'm not saying just words, I'm making sentences today. And for those of you that did not miss me, those of you that did not miss me, no problem. I've marked your face. I see, I've marked your face. I know your face. I know your cute face. Yes, I know that your cute face. I know you did not miss me, but I miss you so very much. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, now. So, I'm making 5 sentences, and I've added 1 extra sentence as a bonus, so which makes it like 6 sentences. So, let's jump into it. Let's jump into it. So, number 1 sentence is come out for here. Come out for here. What does come out for here mean? It means get out of this place. Get out. Yeah. Come out for here means get out of this place. Leave this place right now. Come out for here. Yes, that's what it means. Or you can say, and come out for here is actually more interesting when you use it when someone provokes you. You're angry, you're red hot, your blood is boiling. Just come out for this place. Come out for here. It means get out of this place. Leave right now. That's what it means. Come out for you means get out of this place. So yes, so if you hear in Nigeria and tell you come out for here, it means they don't like your presence at that moment. Just kindly respect yourself and leave. Like just leave. Don't argue, just leave. Now the second word for today is almost shine your eyes. Almost shine your eyes. My guy, shine your eyes. My girl, shine your eyes. Shine up. So when a Nigerian person tells you shine your eyes, it means to be smart. It means they're telling you to be smart, be alert, be very smart. Like don't be stupid. Don't be dumb. Don't do that. I know most people who have traveled to New York, like most people who are New Yorkers or people who have lived in New York or lived in major cities that have come to Lagos, and they used to tell me tales of like, oh, Lagos is similar to New York. Lagos is similar to London in terms of the lifestyle, the way people could like treat you and stuff like that. So let me just say, most of the time, people usually compare New York to Lagos. It's because of the way people could rob you. Not that they could rob you, they could cheat you. I say they won't like rob you, but they will cheat you. When someone cheats you, it almost has them robbing you, basically. So when you hear a Nigerian tell you, eh, shine your eyes, oh, it means you should be smart, be alert. Someone could pick your pockets. Someone could maybe someone is trying to rip you off. You know, shine your eyes. Or maybe you go somewhere sketchy with your friends and you don't want people around there to think you're suspecting them. Just tell them, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. It means be watchful, be mindful, be on alert. Don't be stupid. Don't be dumb. Trust nobody. Yeah. Shine your eyes. It also means trust nobody. Trust no one. Don't trust what they are saying. Yes, that's what shine your eye means. Shine your eyes. They say shine your eyes. So the second word is no grief for anybody. No grief for anybody. It means do not allow anybody to cheat you. If you feel like someone is cheating you, maybe for instance, you usually buy maybe okay, let's say this candle now. Let's say if you go to the solar store, you usually buy it for depending on your currency, maybe you buy it for let's say €2 or $2 or £2 or whatever the currency may be where you're from, and you go to another store, you still buy it the same price, right? Then maybe one day you now stumble upon a new store and you just feel like, oh, let me use this chance to just get this candle, and the person is telling you, oh, it's €50 or it's $50 or it's £50. That's a rip-off, right? That's a serious rip-off. So yeah, and the person is insisting like maybe you're telling the person, no, this is two. This is like I buy for $2, I buy for £2, I buy for €2. Like why is your own why is your price different? All right. And you're like debating with the person. And the person said, you know what, that's how we sell, blah 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 blah. That is when you say, I'm not good grief for you, no grief for anybody. Don't allow anybody cheat you. Like, why would you pay £50 or $50 or €50 for something you buy for $2 or €2 or £2? Doesn't make sense, right? So that means no grief. No grief for anybody. It means you're not going to allow this person to rip you off. No grief for anybody. Or it could be someone trying to bully you and they're trying to bully you to do what they want and you don't want to do that. No grief. It means do not allow that. No, 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 no. I am not going to allow you to rip me off. So yeah, no grief for anybody. Don't allow anybody bully you. Don't allow anybody intimidate you. Don't allow anybody to rip you off. That is what no grief for anybody means. I hope you're having fun. If you are watched thus far, please do well to visit the like button. Yes, visit the like button and say hello to the subscribe button as well. So let's get on with the video. So now, the third sentence for today is we've done the third. Sorry, the fourth. You see, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. I'm just so super excited that I'm back. I am back. So the fourth word is it means I beg. Sorry, the fourth word is I beg. Pack well. I beg, pack well. It means please. Stay one place. I beg, pack well. It means please. If you guys remember in my previous videos, I've treated the word I beg, which I said I beg means please. So I beg, pack well. It means position yourself well. Don't stress me. You know, for those of you who have friends or family members, maybe a partner who nags a lot, and you're not just in the mood for that for that drama. You're like, bro, I am not in the mood right now. Like you're not in the mood. And the person just the person just misbehaving. Like if you have someone who is just misbehaving around you and they're trying to provoke you and you're not just in the mood for the drama, what you tell them is, I beg, pack well. I beg, pack well, I beg, pack well. Pack well. So it means please stay one place. Just stay one side. Don't disturb me. Stay one place. Pack well. Keep to yourself, please. I'm not in the mood. Stay one corner. Pack well. Stay one place. Please, 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 please. I don't want problem. Pack well. Or you're trying to snub somebody and they're not getting the memo. Just tell them, pack well, I beg. Pack well. So then the fifth word, you see, we're almost done. The fifth word is luku luku. You took the look. You took the look. Luku luku. So luku luku means somebody who looks like, who stares at people a lot, like people who would not just blink. There's people who will be looking at you and they won't even blink while they're looking at you. Those awkward people like just staring at you. Like, so you call those people luku luku, luku luku man, luku luku woman, luku 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 luku. Luku luku means somebody who stares too much. Luku luku means somebody who stares too much. That's what it means. So if you hear a Nigerian person saying things like, oh, they're saying to their friend and say, luku luku, so just know that they're referring to somebody who's looking at them too much and they're uncomfortable. That's what luku luku means. So for the bonus word for today is I no get that kind time. I no get that kind time. It means I don't have that kind of time today. I do not have that kind of time. I don't have time. I beg. I do not have time. I don't have time for this rubbish. I don't have time for this nonsense. I no get time. It means I'm unavailable for bullshit. I don't my French. I'm unavailable for rubbish. I'm unavailable for nonsense. I'm unavailable for BS. I'm unavailable for things that are irrelevant. All right. So that is what I don't get that kind of time. Or it could be that somebody wants you to help them do something or favor that requires you moving around or requires doing a lot of tasks or is adding tasks to what you're doing already and you don't have that time. It's also a way to tell them, I don't get that kind of time. Like I don't have time. It means I'm very busy. I do not have time for shenanigans. I do not have time to run errands for you. I do not have time to listen to your crap. I do not have time. Like I don't have that time tonight. That's what it means. I know get that kind of time. So we've come to the end of the video. Let me know what you think and let me know if there are words you would like to learn, like new words you like to learn. Please let me know and let me know if you have somebody that you want me to shout out to. For those of you who engaged in the previous videos, none of you like put in the comment section of who you want me to shout out to. This is 20. We are going into 2026. Let's be intentional here, please, 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 please. I beg. What could begin to do things intentionally for this place? Let's begin to be intentional about things here. So I love you guys live. Do have a beautiful week. Have a beautiful day. And compliments of the season. Yeah, I can't believe like 2025 has come to an end. So happy new year in advance, but compliment of the season. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.